So you're probably wondering how I created this look. If so, then just keep watching, girl. Let's do some makeup while we chit chat a little bit. So going back into 2009, 2010 was when I started playing around in makeup. Like, this was not something that I automatically just jumped into and knew how to do. No, I've always been a creative person and can learn things like visually quickly. So I used to watch YouTube videos, y'all, like all the time. I remember I used to just like be glued to the computer, like all the time. And then I started practicing and learning. I think the hardest thing for me to learn was like blending eyeshadow. So, of course, I went through that ugly phase. Like, a lot of girls today will never know. They will never know because TikTok and, of course, all the socials have made it very easy for them to learn. But it wasn't easy for me at first. And then I went through so much makeup. I remember it was like everything that I saw certain like YouTubers get, I would go get it. I would go get it because I thought that would make me do the makeup better. They was influencers then, like it was a big deal then, just like it is now. So I don't know. I'm just getting back to having fun with makeup like I used to do because that's why I started doing it in the first place because it was fun and it was creative and it looked good to me. So I'm just having fun with it.